Hey boys and girls, it's Thursday and this is lesson 12.4 in your math, week 6. Okay, the question is, how do you solve addition word problems? By drawing a picture. So let's see what the problem is. Megan put 8 fish in the tank, Tess put 2 more fish, then Bob put 3 more fish. How many fish are in the tank now? So you're going to ask yourself, what information am I given? Megan put in how many fish? Well, right there it says 8. Tess put in 2 more. Bob put in 3 fish. So your strategy is, we said we were going to what? Draw a picture. I can draw a picture. So we're going to come down here and we're going to draw that picture. So I can make a 10 frame, and they already have it here for us. And I'm going to put in the 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 fish. And then I can do 2 more. 1, 2. Let me go ahead and put my 8 here, plus the 2 more. Plus how many more? 3. 1, 2, 3. Plus 3 more. Equals, well, we know that's a 10 frame, so that's 10 right here. The 8 plus 2 is 10, plus 1, 2, 3 more is 13. 10, 11, 12, 13. So that gives how many fish? 13 fish all together. All right, let's go to the next page. Here we go. Draw a picture to solve. The problem is Mark has 9 green toy cars. He has 1 yellow toy car. He also has 5 blue toy cars. How many toy cars does he have? Well, let's ask ourselves, what information am I given and what is my plan or strategy? Well, the information is Mark has 9 green cars, he has 1 yellow car, and 5 blue ones. And what's my strategy? I'm going to what? What did it say to do? Draw a picture. So let's go ahead and draw a 10 frame like we did before. I'm going to cut it in half right here, and then I'm going to count by 2s because I'm doing 2 boxes at a time. 2, 4, 6, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. There we go. Now I have 9 green ones, so let's fill in the 9. I'll put 9 right here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Plus 1 yellow one. There's 1 yellow one. Plus what? 5 blue ones. Plus 5 blue ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, so how much does that equal? Well, we know that's a 10. 9 and 1 is 10. Plus 5 more, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. It equals 15. So how many toy cars does he have altogether? 15 toy cars. All right, let's go to the next page. Page 453. Draw a picture to solve. Oops, I'm crooked there. Here we go. Draw a picture to solve. Ava has 3 kites. Lexi has 3 kites. Fred has 5 kites. How many kites do they have? Well, what information? You're going to ask yourself, what information have I been given? Ava has what? 3. Lexi has 3. And Fred has 5. Fred has 5. So I'll have 3 plus 3 more plus 5 equals. Let's draw the picture. I'll do a 10 frame. Remember how we did it? I did a rectangle, cut it in half. I'm going to count by 2s. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. Okay. Ava has 3. We'll do A for Ava. 1, 2, 3. Lexi has 3. 1, 2, 3. And Fred has 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Okay, so how much is that going to equal? There's 10 right there, and one more is what? 11. 11 kites. So I drew my picture to solve it. I'm going to do the same thing down here. They want us to draw the picture. Always have to follow those directions. Al got 8 books at the library. Ryan got 7 books. Dee got 1 book. How many books do they have? Well, what's our information? Al got 8. Ryan got 7. And Dee got 1 book. Let me draw that 10 frame. Down the middle, 2, 4, 6, 8, and then 10. All right. Al 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I'll put 8 here plus what? 7 more from Ryan. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Plus 1 more from D. Right there. There's D's. Equals. So here's 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. How many? 16. 16 books. Okay? Now our hot problem. There are 14 pencils. Haley has 6 pencils. Mac has 4 pencils. Sid has some pencils. How many pencils does Sid have? So what information am I given? Well, we have 14 pencils altogether, right? So I know that's going to be my answer. We have, Haley has 6, plus Mac has 4, and Sid has, we don't know how many, correct? So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to add 6 plus 4, and that equals what? 10. And I'm going to then I'm going to say 14 minus 10 to find the difference here, and that's what your answer is going to be. So 4 minus 0 is what? 4. Sorry about that. 1 minus 1 is 0, so it's what's your answer going to be? 4. Right here. Your answer is 4. So Sid had 4 pencils. Okay? And the hot problem. 12 marbles are in a bag. Shelly takes 3 marbles. Dan puts in 4. How many marbles are in the bag now? All right. 12 marbles were in the bag, right? You had 12. And if Shelly takes 3, what will you do? If they take it away, what will you do? You're going to subtract. So that's going to be 12 minus 3. Let's do that first. What is 12 minus 3? 9. So now you have 9 marbles. And then Dan puts in 4. Well, if he puts in 4, what will you do next with this? You have 9 and you're going to put in 4. You're going to add. That's going to make it more. So then you'll have 9 plus 4 equals what? 13 marbles. 13 marbles. I hope you know your addition facts. Otherwise, it's going to take you a while to have to count all that out. So if you don't know them, again, practice, practice, practice. Make you some flashcards if you need to. And the last page. There we go. Choose the correct answer. There are 6 stones in the pail. Lisa puts 5 more stones in the pail. Then she puts 2 more stones in the pail. How many stones are in the pail? Well, what information am I given? I have 6 stones in the pail, 5 more put in, 2 more stones put in. So I'm going to what? Add. If you're putting more, you're going to add them. I'm going to add. So 6 plus 5 is 11. And 11 plus 2 is going to be what? 13. And there you have it. Number 7. Jerry, Dinah, and Matt play a game. Jerry scores 2 points. Dinah scores 6 points. Matt scores 2 points. How many points do they score? Now see, this is important. I know you guys want to play basketball, so you want to be able to keep up with your points. So what information are we given? Well, Gary scored 2. Dinah scored 6. Matt scores 2. And you're going to what? That's right, add them all together. Well, I see some doubles there. Let me go ahead and add these doubles. 2 plus 2 is 4. And 4 plus 6 is, that's a 10. And there you have it. Number 8. Jamal has 5 gray rocks, 4 blue rocks, and 3 white rocks. How many rocks does Jamal have? Information I'm given, he has 5 gray ones, 4 blue ones, and 3 white ones. So I'm going to add 5 plus 4 is 9. 9 plus 3 is 12. So 12 is my answer. And one more. Brooke has 7 pink shells and 8 white shells and 3 brown shells. How many shells does she have? Information I'm given is 7 pink ones, 8 white ones, and 3 brown ones. So I'm going to add them. Oh, I see a sum of 10 here. I'm going to make it easy on myself. 7 plus 3 is 10, and I know 10 plus 8 is, that's right, 18. Right there. And that wraps it up for this week. Tomorrow is Friday.